Yo guys, check out my Pocket FM app. As you can see, I've got tons of coins. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Pocket FM mod so you can get unlimited coins. So just go to zoomods.com. This site has tons of modded apps and modded games. So we're just going to type in Pocket FM and it should come straight up. So as you can see, there it is. So just press on it, and before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So what you have to do is download two apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. It's pretty easy, so basically we're just going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. Alright, so it's going to load, and it's going to say like you need to install some apps to finish installing the Pocket FM mod. So there's going to be around 4 apps on the page. Just download 2 of them, so just press tap to install and it'll bring you to the store. I'm on an Android, so it's bringing me to the Play Store, but if you're on an iPhone, it should bring you to the App Store. So just do 2 of them. You can see this one says down and run for 30 seconds. This one has register valid info. This one's down and install, play 4 games for 5 minutes each. So they're all different, but anyway, I will see you guys later. So that's how to get the Pocket FM mod. You can get unlimited coins, guys, as you can see. So be sure to try it out for yourself if you guys are poor on Pocket FM, because I'm not going to be beating around the bush. I know that this isn't the easiest app to make money on. So as you can see, I got tons of coins. So fully works, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I've developed some like skills to find working mods. I've been looking all over the internet for them, and I have to tell you guys, this is the only site I found, ZooMods, that actually has anything remotely working. Like everything else is like scams or something like that. So I'll see you later and peace out.